Add a path follower. And finally, add your enemy as a child of the path follower. Hit play to see the results. It is a bit weird to see the enemy returning the path backwards, so let's fix it. Select the path follower game object. In the Inspector tab, find the path follower script and select Look at Next Waypoint. Hit play again and see what happens. You can have multiple path followers in the same path, so let's duplicate the enemy. You can also change the speed of the path follower. Let's make one of them faster. Now I'm gonna add a saw blade. I'll add another path. If I want to make a loop, I can go to the path and change its type to cyclic. To make the movement smoother, you can change the easing curve of the path. So go to the path in the Inspector tab, click on the easing curve, and then you can adjust it to sigmoid. Let's see how it looks now. When traveling between two waypoints, the movement will become faster in the middle and slower at the edges. Now let me show a very cool feature that a path also has. I will create another path and position it right here. And then I'll drag this platform right here. And for this new path, I will select Open End. The ping pong type has these two checkboxes, which you can make it open start and open end. So when the platform reaches the end, it will fall off the path. I'll hit play and let's see what happens. You see that the platform has found another path in the way while it was falling, and then it automatically starts to follow the other path. You can create very cool features with this. For a better animation of this follower entering another path, you can reduce the size of this box collider. Now let's check the result. Way better. There is another type of path you can use to create elevators. Let me show you. This path that I have just created, I'll change its type to one way. When the platform reaches the end of the path, it teleports right away to the beginning. Let's check it out. What if you want to have multiple platforms in this elevator? We can have connected paths. Let me show you how this works. So I will create another path. And then I will select the first path and change its type to connected. If I connect this path with another path, you see that a connection is made between these two paths. So the platform will automatically go from one path to another. You can make these connections at runtime. For example, I'll place a switch in here. This switch has a switch button script, which is available in the asset, and it has three properties: origin, connected to when on, and connected to when off. The origin is the origin path, so I will drag this origin path here, which is this first one. When the switch is on, I don't want it to be connected with any other path, so I'll leave it as none. But when I disable this switch, I want it to be connected with the last path that I have created. So I'll drag this and let's hit the play button. Last but not least, we also can create a circular platform. You can change the radius and also the number of platforms you want on it, but first you need to attach a platform prefab here. And then you can change the number of platforms. Thank you so much for watching.